video, we're going to have a look at how we can do a nested if. The nested if is basically an if statement within an if statement, okay? So when there are more than one or two different criterias. Okay, so we can have up to 7 different levels within Excel. Okay, so if you bear with me, I'll share my screen and we'll just work through a couple of examples. Okay, so here we have a spreadsheet that's got some spreadsheet test results. Okay, so I've got my students' IDs down here, I've got their marks, and I'm going to grade them. Okay, so anybody who's scored 10 or less is graded a 1, 11 to 25 is a 2, 26 to 40 is a 3, and 41 to 50 is going to be graded a 4. Okay, so obviously I want my answer to go into cell C13. Okay, so either go to formulas and insert a function, okay, or just from the home tab, you can just pick it up from the insert function here, okay, next to the formula bar. Okay, remember your if statement is always in your most recently used category. Okay, so click on if. So what is the logical test? Okay, I've said if B13, okay, if B13 is less than or equal to 10, okay, the value if true is going to be, sorry, a 1. Okay, didn't mean to click into the box here. I'm going to say value if true is a 1. Value if false, we're going to leave blank. Okay, click into that line though, and we need to go back into the name box and pick up if again. Okay, so the next logical test again is the mark in B13 less than or equal to 25? Okay, value of true this time is going to be 2. Okay, again, we need another level now. We want to know if it's less than or equal to 40. So click into false again, and click back into the name box, pick up if. Again, the logical test is going to be, is the value in B13 less than or equal to 40? Okay, value of true is going to be 3, and this time there are no more steps. So if it's not less than or equal to 40, and it's in the 41 to 50 range, we're going to grade that student with a 4. Click on OK, and I can just drag down, okay, relative cell addressing. Okay, and I've ordered this one so you can actually see quite simply, okay, that we've got 2 1s here, okay, 10 or less. We've got 2 grade 2s in the 11 to 25 range. In the 26 to 40 range, they're graded a 3, and in the 41 to 50 range, they're graded a 4. Okay, so that's one example of a nested if. Okay, let's have a look at another example. Okay, so again, very similar. Okay, we have got Excel Advanced course grades, okay, for various students. So if anybody has scored below 50, they're going to have to resit. If anybody has scored 50 to 85, then they've passed. And if anybody has scored 86 to 100, then they are being marked or graded with a distinction. Okay, so just very similar process as we did in the previous exercise. Okay, so I want the answer to go into C11, so click into C11, up to the FX to insert my function, pick up my if statement and click on OK. So the logical test is the value in B11 less than 50? Okay, value if true is going to be a reset. Okay, click into the false line. We need to put in another level here, so click on if again in the name box, and the logical test again is the value in B11 this time, okay, less than 86? Okay, so we're missing out this time the middle section. Okay, so the value of true here is going to be a pass, okay, for less than 86. And the value of false this time, we've only got 3 levels. Okay, the value of false this time, if it's more than 86, then it's a distinction. Okay, enter that in, use the full handle to drag it down, and we can see there, okay, that anything below 50, okay, is a reset. Anything that is 50 to 85 is a pass, and anything above 86 is a distinction. Okay, so that's your nested ifs. Thank you for sharing.